content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Various types of insurance losses. We have 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. We are the premier repairable vehicle dealership in the Northeast. We export vehicles all over the world and all over the United States. Right now you're looking at a 2014 Infiniti Qx80. This was a previous freshwater flood damage vehicle. This is the finished product. Engine compartment is clean. The vehicle runs and drives. There are no warning lights on. It's excellent condition. We're selling it with a rebuilt title. Body's very clean. I believe it has 67,000 miles. It is an all-wheel drive. This was previously a low freshwater flood damage vehicle. If you follow us on social media, you know that we have a lot of experience repairing flood damaged vehicles. We go through great lengths to make sure that they're done correctly and repaired correctly. It's a 5.6 liter V8 engine. Take a look inside. Got the rear entertainment. This is a 7-passenger. There's absolutely no odor, no smell, no signs of mold. Interior is in great shape. A nice sunroof, rear climate control. Pretty high tech for 2014. Compared to the cars now, not so much, but 2014, this was a cutting edge technology. They haven't changed much up until, in terms of the body, up until 2019. But the new ones are a few more bells and whistles, but this is pretty nice for 2014. Anyhow, we'll post it on the website soon. If you have good credit, contact us. We can help you with financing. Thanks for watching.